स्टुडंट्स, कसे आहात? मस्त मजेत सगळं. कोरोना आहे बाहेर, अजिबात बाहेर पडू नका. आपला ऑनलाईन लेक्चर त्याच्यामुळे सुरू आहे. तर अभ्यास करा, दिवसभर जेवढा होमवर्क दिलेला असेल ते सगळं करा. आपण मॅथ्स 1चं प्रॅक्टिस सेट 2.3 सुरू केलेलं आहे आणि या प्रॅक्टिस सेट 2.3 मधली आपली बरीचशी गणितं झालेली आहेत. आज आपल्याला एक शेवटचा गणिताचा जो प्रश्न राहिलेला आहे तो आज आपल्याला शिकायचा आहे. सो we are going to learn practice set 2.3, the question number 9, that is remains. So the question number 9 is having so many sub questions are there, so that sub questions we want to learn. So we are start now the practice set 2.3 and problem number 9. So whatever be the problem number 9, rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator. Denominator means the number which is right at a base. Top is numerator and at base right is the denominator. So rationalize the denominator. So first we write for all the questions here and that we want to solve. So see, it is the first question that you want to rationalize the denominator. So see, this is the 3 is the numerator. 3 is called the numerator and root 5 it is called as the denominator. Okay, root 5 is the denominator. So what they are said rationalize the denominator. So denominator is root 5. So root 5 can be take out from root signs. Okay, the 5 can be taken from root sign. That is called the rationalization. Suppose some of the students don't understand what I say in English, so I am saying in Marathi. Seeing 3 is the numerator and root 5 denominator. So what is the problem? Question is given there, rationalize the denominator. म्हणजे हा जो डिनॉमिनेटर रूट 5 आहे, या डिनॉमिनेटर रूट 5 ला रूट साइन मधून बाहेर काढायचं, त्याला म्हणतात रॅशनलायझेशन. मग आता हे जे रॅशनलायझेशन करायचं असतं ते डिनॉमिनेटर जो असेल, समजा रूट 5 तर रूट 5 ने डिनॉमिनेटरला पण मल्टिप्लाय करायचं, न्यूमरेटरला पण मल्टिप्लाय करायचं, याला म्हणतो आपण रॅशनलाइज. रॅशनलाइज म्हणजे जो डिनॉमिनेटर असेल तो डिनॉमिनेटर जर सर्ट्स मध्ये लिहिलेला असेल, जसे इथे लिहिले सर्ट्स मध्ये रूट 5 असं लिहिलंय सर्ट्स मध्ये, तर या सर्ट्स मधून त्याला बाहेर काढण्याची प्रोसेस म्हणजेच रॅशनलायझेशन. आता कळलं, शुद्ध मराठीत सांगितलेलं आहे. Okay, so we want to rationalize the 3 upon root 5. Rationalize means we want to remove the 5 from rational sign. So here is the how can you do the rationalization? So what is the denominator? Root 5. So root 5 is multiplying to the denominator as well as root 5 multiplying to the numerator. So here is right, multiplying the numerator and denominator by root 5. Why it is root 5? Are you understand? Because you want to remove, we want to neglect the square root sign, or root 5, this 5 can be removed from the square root sign. So if you want to 5 can be removed from the square root sign, so whatever be the denominator is root 5. So root 5 is multiplying to the denominator as well as root 5 is multiplying to the numerator. So 3 into root 5 and here is root 5 into root 5. So 3 into root 5 what you get? 3 root 5. Root 5 into root 5 what you get? 5. Why? Because there is a rule, root a into root a is equal to a, root b into root b is equal to b, root c into root c is equal to c. Are you understand my students? It is very simple. According to that rule we want to rationalize. So here the denominator is root 5. So root 5 can be multiplied by root 5. So if it is multiplying to the denominator, there is same number multiplying to the numerator. So 3 into root 5 and here is root 5 into root 5 you get 5. So you are getting answer 3 root 5 upon root 5 into root 5 you get 5. So your answer is 3 root 5 divided by 5. How you get 5? Root 5 into root 5 you get same number which is right in the root, that is the 5. So you get 5. Root 5 into root 5 5. Root 2 into root 2 2. Root 3 into root 3 3. This is according to rule of root a into root a. Okay, such a way we are rationalize the first number. Anyone doubts? If anyone doubts I can explain it into Marathi also. See, आपल्याला root 5 चं rationalization करायचं आहे. मग या रूट 5चं रॅशनलायझेशन करायचं असेल तर डिनॉमिनेटरला रूट 5नेच मल्टिप्लाय आपल्याला रॅशनलायझेशन करायचं आहे. मग रूट 5चं जर आपल्याला रॅशनलायझेशन करायचं असेल तर त्याला रूट 5नेच मल्टिप्लाय करायला लागेल. म्हणून 3/√5 डिनॉमिनेटर त्याला रूट 5ने मल्टिप्लाय केलं डिनॉमिनेटरला, कारण हा रूट 5 आपल्याला बाहेर काढायचा म्हणून. मग 3/√5 इंटू रूट 5 is denominator and root 5 is the numerator. Okay, 3√5. So you are getting 3√5. So root 5 into root 5, what you get? Root 5 into root 5, you get 5. So you are getting answer 3√5/5. Okay, then second questions you want to write here, that is 1/√14. 1/√14. So root 14, we cannot factorize this number as 2 into 7. Why not? Because there is the root 2 means 2's square root we don't know, 7 square root we don't know. So we want to rationalize the root 14 such a way the root 14 is the denominator, that is multiplying to the denominator root 14. So same number multiplying to numerator. So see, it is the 1/√14. It is the 1/√14. So root 14 is the denominator, that is multiplying to the denominator root 14. Okay, so if denominator multiplying root 14, then numerator is also multiplying root 14. So root 14 1 root 14, so you get 1 into root 14. See, they are showing you step 1 into root 14. Then denominator root 14 into root 14, so that is right here root 14 into root 14. So root 14 1 root 14, so I write here root 14. Root 14 into root 14, what you get? 14. So root 14/14, that is the answer. Anyone doubts? Then problem number 3rd, 5/√7. 5/√7, denominator is root 7, so that is denominator root 7 multiplying denominator and root 7 multiplying numerator to rationalize. So see, here is 5/√7, that rationalization you want to do. So what is the denominator? See here, denominator is root 7. So if you want to rationalize denominator root 7, then that is multiplying to the denominator root 7 and also multiplying to the numerator. So 5/√7 into denominator root 7 into numerator root 7. So 5 into root 7, what you get? 5√7. Root 7 into root 7, what you get? 7. So 5 into root 7, that step is shown to you. Root 7 into root 7, that step also you show you. So 5 into root 7, you get 5√7, and root 7 into root 7, you get 7. So you are getting answer 5√7 divided by 7. Anyone doubts in this problem? Then the last problem, I think this is, that is a 6/9√3. 6/9√3. So here is the root 3 is here. You are only think about the root number, you don't think about this 9. Is that clear? म्हणजे मी काय म्हटलं की तुम्हाला रॅशनलायझेशन जर करायचं असेल तर रॅशनलायझेशन करताना फक्त रूट मधला नंबर बघा. ओके, यू आर ओनली सी द रूट नंबर, दॅट इज द 9√3. So this is the root 3. So you are multiplying this root 3 as a denominator and you are multiplying this root 3 as a numerator. So see here, 6/9√3, 6/9√3, that is multiplying root 3 here as a denominator and root 3 is multiplying as a numerator also. So why it is so? Because you want to remove the square root sign of 3, so you are multiplying here root 3. So if denominator multiplying root 3, then root 3 is also multiplying numerator. So you are getting that, showing here 6 into root 3 divided by 9 root 3 into root 3. So root 3 into root 3, you get 3. So see here, 6 root 3 divided by this 9. And how can you get this 3? Root 3 into root 3. So root 3 into root 3, what you get? 3. So here is 9 into 3 and numerator is 6 root 3. So 9 3s are what you get? 27. Okay, but here is they are divided. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3, same meaning, there is no change. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So here is 2 root 3. So here is you get 2 root 3. This 3 is divided 6. So what is remain? 9. So you are getting answer 2 root 3 divided by 9. If someone don't understand, then again 9 root 3 is the number given here. 6 upon 9 root 3 is the number. So this root 3 is the denominator. So that root 3 can be multiplying to the numerator as well as denominator. So why this root 3 is multiplying to the denominator? Because when root 3 into root 3, then this root sign of the 3 can be removed and there remains 3. That is called rationalization. So for rationalization, we are multiplying root 3 denominator, you are multiplying root 3 numerator. So here is 6 into root 3. So here is you write 6 into root 3. Then 9 root 3 into what? Root 3. So 6 root 3 remain as it is. 9 is carry as it is. Root 3 into root 3. What you get? 3. So 3 1 ja 3. 3 2 ja 6. So you get 2 root 3 divided by 9. Anyone doubts? I hope that all the problems are you understand. This is the problem number 5. 11 upon root 3. This is the problem. So whatever be the denominator, my students, see here, what is the denominator? You know that? What is the denominator? Root 3. Correct. Your answer is correct. Root 3 is the denominator. So you want to remove the root sign. So what can you do? What can you do? Can you say me? Yeah, correct. You are multiply this with root 3. So 11 upon root 3. This is the denominator root 3. That is multiplying denominator root 3. So if denominator multiplying root 3, then denominator root 3 multiplying numerator also. So you get here 11 into root 3. So see 11 into root 3. So here is I write 11 into root 3. Then root 3 into root 3. So 11 root 3 you are getting here 11 into root 3. 11 root 3. Root 3 into root 3, what do you get? 3. So here you are getting 11 root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3. What you get? 3. Okay. So I hope that all the 5 problems you are understand. So whether it is understand or not understand, that can be checked with homework. So here is for homework. I am giving you 5 problems. That 5 problems you solve, and after solve the 5 problems you can send me to my WhatsApp number, and if you have any doubts you can ask me anytime. Okay. So this practice set 2.3 is completed. If you have any doubts in the practice set 2.3, you can ask me. Then you like this channel and subscribe this channel. If some of the students are not subscribed this channel, then please subscribe this channel. And if you are subscribed, then you share this video with your friends who is studying in 9th standard, and share this video with that students and say to them subscribe this. Okay. Have a nice day. Bye.